Hi traders, Yuri is here with weekly Forex analysis for the weeks ahead, ending April 21st. Guys, please thumbs up, subscribe and hit notification bell before I start. In order to, as in this video, you will know analysis for major Forex currency pairs as well as for gold, Dow Jones and Brent. Okay, let's go. As usual, we start from EURUSD, weekly time frame. Just a moment, I forgot to open my drawing tools. So you can see on the weekly we're still quite positive, and the price hit the target which I discussed last week in my analysis. It's 1.1. 1.1 is hit. You see before it was also resistance, and now it's question whether we're gonna break it through next week or not. Yes, potential double top, yeah, but taking into account that USD index is weak, I assume and presume continuation of this bullish scenario, which we still have. You see we are in the nice ascending channel. It's the bottom. So started here and now it's the top. Yeah, it was just so new legs to the upside, and yeah, on Friday it was some rejection. Some engulfing candle, yeah, but overall the picture is still positive for the bulls. It will negate my bullish feelings if we, for instance, break below this trend line, like this border of the channel and support 1.8. But for now it's still positive. I would recommend to buy on weakness and with continuation to the upside. So the next target is, let me check, quickly check, next target 1.11 and then 1.12. So if you can see that the next border, the top of the border is around 1.15 even. So far no signals for reversing. Okay, it's some correction maybe on Friday, but Friday it's not too much volume on Friday usually, so that's why I would not put too much attention to this candle, to this black one. Okay, possible correction, but we'll see. I would recommend to watch out the markets beginning of the week and see what's going on. So I would like to see closing on the daily basis above this 1.1 and this continuation to the upside. So this is a nearest resistance 1.1, support 1.8, and the crucial one is 1.05, 1.08, 1.05 is support. So let's move GBPUSD. On GBPUSD it's not looking as positive as euro, but anyway, we have doji on the weekly candle. It's very small candle, to be honest. I hit 1.25 once again, but didn't broke above this level. You can see it was as well on Friday. It was rejection from 1.25 level. Yeah, not looking good, to be honest, because this candle is covering, it's engulfed two previous trading sessions. So let's see beginning of the week what's happened around 1.24. This is the support, and then 1.13 or the 1.23. Yeah, and the next one is 1.22. On the other hand, yeah, as just discussed, EURUSD, it's a weaker dollar overall, so possible correction and then continuation to the upside. So I would assume to buy on weakness, and based on price action signal, you can see on this week, yeah, it was nice pin bar buying opportunity from 1.24. It was pin bar on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Yeah, it's Monday. It was pin bar, and then next day, 3 days in a row, it was rising. Just price was rising to the upside, hit 1.25, but for now bulls was not able to keep the price above his target. But okay, we'll see what's going on next week. I would suggest to buy. On the other hand, if you close below this level, then you change our like feelings and about the market to the downtrend. So let's go and move on to Aussie dollar. You can see on AUDUSD as second week in a row it's pin bar reversal signal from 0.6715. Yeah, it's not good, to be honest. Yeah, so potential breakthrough with border of the ascending channel. So let's wait. I would not buy, I would not sell for the moment. I would wait and see what's happen. If we close below this line, it will not be good on daily basis, and so meaning that bullish scenario is cancelled and we're gonna see some sell-off to the downside. But all depends on the other pairs as well. But yeah, let's wait, just beginning of the week. So guys, Monday, Tuesday, let the market open this card via card, and so we'll see. So for now, yeah, I would stay away from AUDUSD, just wait and see what's happened. So support is here, 0.6570. This is resistance 0.6715, and next resistance 0.68. Okay, we switch to USDJPY. USDJPY, it's doing good. Last week it was nice and positive, as I discussed previous week after this pin bar on weekly basis, yeah, on the weekly time frame. So the week was positive and closing okay. You see, it was a retest of 134, but was not able to close above it. But now you can see on Friday I also attempt close to this line, and also I would mark this candle as well. I just take it from here to here. You can see it's like kind of pin bar, a rejection from the downside, and next day it's move up. So on Monday we can see that price will attempt to close above this level, 134 for sure, and next target 136.70. So I would suggest to buy. So you see it's nice candle, and the weekly basis there is on weekly time frame. Why I always set weekly basis? It's just from my work, yeah, weekly basis. Okay, it's a habit. So you see here it was 2 pin bar on the weekly, on daily, and it's moved to the upside here as well. Pin bar, and we move to the upside, so we can expect the price close above this level and then retest and move to the upside, or just skyrocket to the upside immediately after breakthrough. But just keep patient, guys. Yeah, and so this is the support 131, and resistance is here. I would assume to buy. Next, gold. Gold is also rejection from 2040 level, but still closing above 2000. And let's switch to the daily. The daily, you can see as well the same picture as for Euro and for GBP and for Aussie. On Friday candle it was negative closing, engulfing candle, but still holding 2000. Possible correction down to 1950. I would not be surprised, but on the other hand we still need to go further to the upside, around 2070. Around 2070, yeah, to hit the top of the channel, yeah, to hit the top of the channel and then to correction, yeah, go into correction. I would recommend to buy based on weakness and based on price action signal, just to wait and see what's going on. Now you can see a little bit consolidation. Yeah, we just moving to just sidelines. So yeah, this is the support 2000, resistance in front of us 2040, and so next support 1950. So still quite bullish, yeah, bullish scenario, and still you can see even on daily, if I zoom out, you can see how it's catapulted high a long time ago. So let's move on. Dow Jones. Dow Jones, it's still positive. I discussed it and I recommended to buy, and we now close above 34,000. Finally, you can see on the Friday, it was tested on Wednesday. Thursday closing above, and Friday just keep holding it. Keep holding above 34,000. The next target is 34,500. And we are moving in the nice ascending channel as well. So yeah, I would expect continuation. And moreover here, if you can see, where I spotted it, actually it was like kind of head and shoulder. You can see it's a head, it's a shoulder, left shoulder, it's a right shoulder, and now yeah, this is a neckline. So it's still some room to the upside. But let's say this is a neckline. When we broke it, so we can measure our potential to the upside from here to here, just roughly 5,000 pips. And from 5,000, it means that market is going to 39,000. Believe it or not, but it is what it is, guys. This is what technical picture is showing us. So just follow the market, no signs still for reversing. It's just going and going on the monthly as well. On the monthly, I discussed last month when March was closed, with pin bar buying signal on monthly time frame, and so you can see, yeah, if you go up to the 39,000, now the maximum was 37 roughly. Yeah, just take even if it's hit it only 36,800, but yeah. So I would recommend to buy based on weakness and with targets above 34,500 and 35,000. So it's still a lot of room to the upside. And here you can see I marked this candle. It was pin bar on Monday, pin bar buying opportunity, and then for days we just go into the upside. Not too much, because you see it's not too many pips, yeah? Just 300 pips, but anyway, we are just rising to the upside still. Okay, and last but not least, it's Brent. Brent is still doing well based on stock markets as well. You can see we're just holding above 84, and the gap, only what's worrying me, it's the gap, it's still open. This gap is open, and this is a tricky one. So you can see potentially just sell off to close the gap and then continue to the upside. Who knows? But for now, we're just rising. And the next target is 90 and then 96 roughly. This is support 84, 79, and 72. It's crucial, key support. So yeah, I still would recommend to buy with the target 90 and 96. Based on price action, just buy, guys, and keep going. But again, just to be careful, because the gap is still open. This window was not closed yet. So that's it, guys, with the weekly Forex analysis for the weeks ahead, ending April 21st. Thanks for your time. Please thumbs up, leave your comments below under this video, and join me on social media. All the links you can find in the description below. I wish you a good trading week, guys. It will be Orthodox Easter tomorrow, so I congratulate everybody. So just, yeah, be careful, trade safe, and see you next week. Bye bye, guys.